Hey, what's up guys? Pat is going to a quick little video. Customer states pressure washer doesn't start, doesn't run. It's been sitting for quite some time. They cleaned out the carb in the tank, unsuccessful. They put a brand new carburetor. And it was unsuccessful. Dropped it off to me. Good thing he didn't get it running. Motor was low on oil and the cat pump had no oil in it. And as you can see, this is fresh oil. It's contaminated already, so we just got to do a fresh change on it. No big deal. He almost had it. As you guys can see, this fuel cap is melted. With the cap being melted, there is no way for air to escape, and it vacuums fuel and will not let it drop down. He almost had it. Good or bad, tell me what you think. Hopefully this video will save you $150. All right guys, later.